これ今ね、僕の釣り友達のお店に着きました。でも前こんなのなかったんだよな。また新しくできてます。川があります。すごいね。ピチピチやってるもんね。魚釣れそうですね。ここ僕のバンコクの釣り友達の経営しているお店なんですけど、川の上にレストランとカフェがあるんですよね。釣りがすぐできちゃうっていう。そうそう、こっちがあったら、こっちがカフェ、レストランね。そうです。食べ物も美味しいし、いい感じの生バンドがまったり BGM を演奏してくれる中で、ご飯食べてお酒飲んで釣りもできちゃうっていう、最高ですよね。で、今日はその彼と一緒に釣りに行くんですけれども、約束の時間になってもまだ現れません。まあ釣りしてようかな。ここで可愛いカフェでなんかコーヒーでも飲んで、これ普通に可愛い。彼バイクも好きなんだっけな。アンティークのカメラが並んでます。お、ハマーじゃないか。Whoa. Hey, サワディーカー。Good to see you again, bro.
Yeah, good to see you.
Good to see you.
Long time no see.
Yeah. This is my stuff. Thanks.
You're welcome. It's not far from here.
Okay.
It's 20 minutes.
Okay. Cool. It's gonna be hot today. It's gonna be hot every day, right?
Thailand, always hot.
Yeah. I hope there's gonna be some kind of shade, so I can hide under the shade. Do you think I'm gonna catch something today?
I think.
All right.
What?
Yesterday I bought this rod.
Oh, cool.
It's a pack rod. It's 4 pieces.
Easy to quite big.
Too big, huh?
Too much.
Really? Man, it's too hot.
ตอนนี้แต่เราเขาก็ได้อยู่นะได้ป่ะชัวร์
You're not sure, huh? Really?
This one.
Put it in a plastic bag, and then
Oh.
the one you're not gonna use.
Days later.
もうそろそろどこまで行くねんって感じですよ。灼熱の太陽の下、どこまで行くねん。日陰もなんもないし、大丈夫かこれ。
2,000 years later.
そこに溜まってるっちゃうんですけど、どうやって？This one's okay, yeah? Okay, thank you. Oh, the small one. Come on, man. Go to the
6.5 hours later.
Wait, it's not fish.
Yeah.
What the hell?
Yeah. Oh, big one, big one.
No, it's a big one.
Good.
Okay, what do I do? You got a net?
Yeah. Come on. No.
Come on. He's gonna release it. He's gonna let go. Come on. He's gonna let go. Okay, come on. All right.
Good job.
Got it.
Careful. Really strong, right?
Yeah, strong. That's crazy. Look at that. He just won't let go. It's eating it.
We've seen it.
No. It's eating a lure. Look. Now what do I do? Take a picture for us. Yes. Ooh. Come on, go. Oh, maybe I'll get up. You good? Okay. I don't know what to do, man. Thank you. Oh, crazy.
What the?
Careful.
Give
me the net. Oh, that's a good idea. Ooh.
อุ้ยปูนิ่มด้วยพี่ใหม่ปูนิ่ม
Careful.
กล้ามมันนิ่มอ่ะพี่ เนี่ย
Oh, we can't eat. It's
No?
like you change the body. You can touch. It's soft.
It's soft?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Then you cannot eat?
yeah
Why not? No meat.
Yeah, no meat.
Hmm.
ตัวใหญ่นะเนี่ย the big one.
Okay, well then just let's release him. Just let him go. He actually ate it, huh? Yeah. Okay, great. Thank you.
ไม่เป็นไรเดี๋ยวมันก็หายเอง
บ๊ายบาย
Lucky guy. どうやら食えないらしいんでもリリースしちゃいましたね。はあ。
1 week later.
Hey, better. 1, 2, 3. Okay,
Nice one.
can I kill it?
Yeah.
Whoa, good luck for you.
Good luck, Mom. Thanks, Ma. But the bass came from here. Alright. Good one.
Take picture for you.
Yeah. You get the fish grip thing?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I think I lost it on the way. I think I dropped it somewhere on the way.
You have to find a bigger one.
Yep. Good looking fish.
3 hours later.
飲んで